If you've ever made a P2P order on ByBit and suddenly realized you need to cancel it, don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to cancel a ByBit P2P order in just a few clicks, even with the updated 2025 interface. This is quick, simple, and something every trader should know. Let's jump right in. Start by going to bybit.com and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top of the page and click Buy Crypto. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select P2P Trading. You'll now be inside the P2P section. On the right-hand side, you'll see your order panel, which shows all your current and active trades. Look through the list and find the specific order you want to cancel. Click on that order to open its details, then scroll down to the bottom of that page. You'll see a Cancel Order button. Go ahead and click it. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking for your cancellation reason. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Maybe you changed your mind, selected the wrong seller, or encountered an issue. After selecting your reason, click Yes to confirm. And that's it. Your P2P order has been successfully canceled. Before you go, here's a quick pro tip. Try to avoid canceling orders too often. Frequent cancellations can affect your P2P credibility score, which might limit your future trading opportunities. Always double check the seller details and payment instructions before placing any order. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and clear crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.